You're probably thinking that when it comes to the term PDF, it's just a file format. Keeping files that are uneditable and it's supposed to be always available for sharing and printing. But did you know that you can actually make money from PDF? Which means it's not just a file format, it's also a money making material. Isn't that crazy? You can make thousands of dollars using our technique today. We're going to be walking you through today's whole process step by step so that you guys won't get lost or confused. Our method for today isn't good as a long-term career plan, but it is definitely something that can make you a lot of good money and that will help you out along the way as long as you're using it. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results.
Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
First thing that we want you to do is go ahead and open up Google Docs, and to open that up, just go to Google, then look up Google Docs and just click on the first search result that comes up, which should be this one. Once you're here, just click on the new blank document, and then this is where you should end up at. Now you guys are going to see a blank canvas, but on my screen right here, you're going to see a guide on how to grow your Instagram account. Now we're going to need this guide for our strategy today. You guys can obviously just choose whatever you want, but for the sake of today's video, we're going to be using this. If you're wondering how you can create a guide yourself, you can either just copy what we already have showing on our screen, maybe pause this video and take a screenshot of it so you can type it down later on, or you can go on Google and look up how to grow your Instagram account, or whatever it is you choose. Just make sure it is a guide-like article, and then just select an article that's most relevant to what you looked up, and then just copy the steps in that article and paste it on your Google Docs file, and just like that, you should have yourself a guide ready to go. Next step is to open up any website that caters to affiliate marketing. It could be either Digistore24, ClickBank, or whatever it is that you want. But we are choosing Digistore24 for today. And then you're going to find a product that you're going to market, and preferably something that's related to your guide. And since we are talking about Instagram growth, we're going to be marketing or promoting this step-by-step guide to grow your Instagram followers ebook. Now it's time to get the affiliate link, and we've talked about Digistore24 before, but go ahead and click on promote now to get that affiliate link. Copy it, and once you have it copied, go back to Google Docs, paste it at the end with a line that goes before it that says something like Best Business Growth Course, or obviously depending on what you are marketing, and then an arrow of some sort just to lead them to what link you're talking about, and then paste your link over there, and just like that, your guide is complete. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now you can have the full link, but you can also shorten that link, and that's something that we would push for more, because if you keep the full link, people know that you're just really trying to make them click. It's going to be clear that it's something for someone's affiliate marketing. But if you shorten your link, then that will show that it's a really unique link and a link that may help your readers. So go to bit.ly.com, and this is a website that's going to shorten your links for you for free, so you can easily just open that up and paste your link right here. Click shorten, and just like that, you have a shortened link that is perfect for you to paste at the end of your guide that a lot of people would appreciate. Click on and maybe even purchase, and then you're definitely gonna earn from that. Now, the last thing we must do is find our last traffic source, which is the ultimate step, because if there's no traffic, then it's simply useless, because no one's gonna see your guide, so no one's gonna click on the link, so you're not gonna make any profit. And that's why finding the perfect traffic source is a make or break kind of thing in this process. So let's just get into that. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Go on to Quora.com, and on this website is where you can find various random posts and where you can post on as well and ask questions yourself and have everything in between, basically. The best thing about this website is that almost 1 billion people visit this website monthly, which means that it's well known and liked as well, which gives us reassurance that this website is famous and knows what it's doing. Now go ahead and create an account, and we're not going to take you through that process anymore because it goes unsaid and we're sure you guys know how to do it already. Also, we just want to cut to the chase so you guys can start making money as soon as possible. Now we want you to look up something relevant to your guide. For us, it's how to grow my Instagram account or something like that. Then once you look that up, you're going to see all of the discussions on this topic, right? So everyone who's talking about Instagram growth and all that. Then what you want to do is go back to your Google Docs, copy what you've written on the file, and then paste it as an answer to those people with the questions on how to grow their Instagram account or get more Instagram followers. Then we're going to do the exact same process to more questions in the same area of concern, because the more people you get the guide and link out to, the more customers you can get, which means that you're going to be making money on complete autopilot every single day. So make sure that you try out today's method and really follow all of our steps, because that's the only way that you're going to come out successful with today's method, or that's the only way you're going to be making the money that we initially promised you. Now before we wrap things up, let's go through a little recap. First, you have to open up Google Docs and then go ahead to Google and look up a guide on a specific topic that you want to write about. Find an article that you like, copy that article, paste it on Google Docs, open up an affiliate marketing website, find something to promote, preferably something related to what your guide is about. Get that link, copy the link, go to bit.ly.com, paste the link, and then shorten it. Then once that's shortened, you can copy the new link, paste it on your Google Docs file, and then go ahead to Quora.com and paste that guide as an answer to every single question that's related to your guide or topic. And that is basically everything.
And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.